Are you also having a hotel business? Then this video is definitely for you. So hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to automate hotel room bookings via WhatsApp. Having a hotel business, you got many requests from your users regarding the hotel room bookings. Responding each and every user manually is a time-consuming, also a very hectic task. To get rid of this type of problems, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot that will create it with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, so that whenever your users send a message to your WhatsApp business account, then your bot will respond to them automatically. To get more details about this, let me all take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. So before starting the video of creating WhatsApp chatbot that will automate hotel room bookings via WhatsApp, let me give you a quick review about how this bot will work and how this bot will reply to your users instantly by sending a message to my WhatsApp business account of hotel. Here I am sending my first message as book room. Here I sent. Immediately you can see the bot will respond to me like this, that please choose a room type, while providing me one option in the form of list. When I click on it, it will provide me the types of rooms that are available in this hotel, that is single room, double room or the suite. Here I am booking single room. Here you can see the bot will ask me to provide the check-in date. So I am entering one check-in date. Here I provided. After that, you can see the bot will ask me to provide the checkout date. So here I am giving checkout date also. Here I sent. Then you can see the bot will ask me to provide the full name. So here I am sharing my full name as a test user. After that, my bot will ask me to share the contact number for booking. So here I am sharing one test contact number. See, the bot will reply to me like this, that your booking is confirmed for the single room from the dates that I have provided here. Also providing me one test payment link to complete the booking. So if you want to create this type of WhatsApp automated chatbot for your hotel room bookings, then you have to follow step-by-step instructions that I am giving you in this video. So let's get started. At first, you have to click on a new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. So here you are landed on the official page of Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool that's help you to automate WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 by creating multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot for your different type of users. Now I'll give you a quick review about Pabbly community. So this is right over here is the Pabbly community, where automation users, business owners and marketers connect. When you are stuck while using the Pabbly, then you can share your doubts here, and the people who are facing similar problem just like you, or even the Pabbly team members, will help you out. So if you want to join this amazing community, then I'll provide the link of this community in the description box. You can check out. Now we will get back to the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. Here on the right hand side, you can see two options are there. The one is sign in and another is sign up option. If you are a new user, then you can click on sign up option and get 100 free credits to explore the software. If you are an existing user, then you can click on the sign in option. Since I am an existing user, so I am clicking on the sign in option. So here you can see these are the all apps that Pabbly provide to their users, as we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot that will create it with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So I am going in this box by clicking Access Now button. So this is right over here is the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, where you can add and manage all of your WhatsApp number in one place, in where you can see your credits allotted, your credits consumed, your credits remaining and the WhatsApp number added. If you want to add a new WhatsApp number into your Pabbly Chatflow account, then you can click on this plus add WhatsApp number button. When you click on it, it will provide you two options, that is WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. If you want a detailed video of how to add a WhatsApp number into your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we have already created a separate video for it. For both of these steps, I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. Now, in this folder section, you can create multiple folders by clicking on this plus option. Here you have to provide the name to your folder, as well as you have to select the parent folder from here. And in this home section, you can see the status of your WhatsApp number that were added into your Pabbly Chatflow account. Here on the left hand side, you can see the multiple features of Pabbly Chatflow, that is inbox, contacts, team queues, templates, broadcast, flows, AI assistant, activity logs, settings, and get help. If you want a detailed video of explanation of these features, then I'll provide the link of this video in the description box. You can check out. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, so I am going in this flow option. So this is the page where you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Flow Builder without requiring any coding or programming skills. As we are creating a new WhatsApp chatbot, so I am going to click on this plus add flow button. So here you can see this is the starting point of creating our WhatsApp chatbot, that is trigger. But before starting the creation of your flow, at first you have to provide the name to your flow that what you are creating. So here I am providing a name. Here I provided that is automate hotel room bookings via WhatsApp. Now I'll give you a quick review about these two options, messages and actions. Under the messages you can see different buttons are there, as well as under the action you can see different buttons are there. We will use these buttons in the creation of our flow. Here on the right hand side you can see two options are there. The one is active inactive button and the another is save button. With the help of this button your flow will be updated. Now let's get started. So for starting your flow, at first you have to select your trigger event. When you click on it, it will provide you multiple types of trigger events, that is keyword/regex, user starts conversation, template selected, WhatsApp template delivered, contact added to contact list, custom field updated, contacts per date is coming soon, and tag assigned. I am creating this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of keywords, so I am selecting this. Keywords are those manually entered words that I expect that my user sends to me. And the another one is the regex. Regex stands for regular expression. It can extract useful data from inputs such as email, phone number, order number, etc. You can also enable this toggle if you want to activate some specific feature or behavior into your chatbot. Now as we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot with the help of keyword, so here I am providing the first keyword as book room. After writing the keyword you have to press enter so that it will add it into the list. Here I am adding two more keywords. Here I added that is room availability and hotel booking. I added only three keywords here, you can add multiple. Now after this step, whenever my user will send any of these keywords to my WhatsApp business account, then automatically my bot gets triggered and reply to them. For that I am taking one list button. I'll drag this box here. Here you can see this list box is divided in three parts, that is header, body and footer. In this case I am not writing any header, so I am leaving this blank and directly writing the body. Here I write that is please choose a room type. After that now I want to add the types of room. For that I am clicking on this add section button. It will provide me one box inside it where it will ask me to provide the section title that I provide as room types. After that I want to add the types of rooms. For that I am clicking on this plus add items button. It will again provide me one box inside it where I am going to write my first room type in this enter title box. Here I added that is single room. Now I want to add two more, so I am again clicking on this plus add items button. The process of adding would be the same. Here I added that is double room and the suite. After that I am going to connect the starting point of my flow to this message. For that I am clicking on this circle, drag a line and connect this line to this circle. Here it is connected. Now whenever my user will select any of the room type, then my bot will respond to them. For that at first I am going to set the custom tag. So for setting up that I am going to click on this action option and take the button as set custom field. I drag this box here where you have to select the contact custom field. Here I am going to select the contact custom field as room type. Here I selected. Now I use this contact custom field here specifically for this room type, that is single room. So I am writing this in this enter value box. Now I am going to tell you where you can create this contact custom field and why we will use the contact custom field on the creation of our flow. But before moving forward, you have to make sure that always save your flow, because if you won't save the flow, then the creation of your flow will be lost. So you have to make sure that always save your flow at first. Now I'll show you where you can create this contact custom field. For that you have to go in the setting option and go in this contact custom field option. So this is right over here is the page where you can create contact custom field for your different type of users. It is a user specific parameter used for managing contact details like name, email, tags, countries, etc. When you scroll down, here you can see one option is there, that is plus add more fields. When you click on it, it will provide you one field name box where you have to provide the name of the field. Also write the description in this field description box. As I already created the contact custom field by the name of room type, so I am not creating more. Now we will get back to our flow. Here I set it this contact custom field. After that, now I am setting up two more contact custom field for both of these room types. For that, I am again taking this set custom field button. Here I added. Now in the select contact custom field, I am going to select the field as same, that is room type, and in this enter value box I am writing this, that is double room, because I set this contact custom field specifically for this and going to do the same for setting up this. Here I added. After that, I am going to connect this circle to this message, this circle to this, and this to this. Here it is connected. Connection plays major role. You have to make sure that each and every node will connect with each other. Here I use the same contact custom field for all of these threes, but only change the value. This will help us to provide the customized message to our users at the end. Now after this step, whenever my user will select the room type, then my bot will ask them to provide the check-in date. For that, I am taking one ask question button. Drag this box here where I am going to write my question as when will you be check-in? After that, I'm going to select the contact custom field as check-in date. Then the format I'll select as date. Number of attempt I'll give as 1. You can increase this if you want to. After that, if you want to add any validation message for your users, then you can write in this enter message box. Now I am connecting all these three circles to this message. Here it is connected. After this step, my bot will ask my user to provide the checkout date. For that, I'm again taking one ask a question button. The process of adding questions would be the same. I drag this box here where I am going to write my question as when will you be checking out? For that, I am selecting the contact custom field as checkout date. After that, the format I'll select as date. Number of attempt I'll give as 1, and I am not writing any validation message. After that, I am connecting this circle to this message where it is connected. Now after this step, my bot will ask my user to provide their full name for the booking. For that, I am again taking one ask a question button. Drag this box here and writing a question as what's your full name for the booking. After that, I'm selecting the contact custom field as full name. The format I'll select as text. Number of attempt I'll give as 1, and I'm not writing any validation message. After that, I am connecting this circle to this message. Now in the next, when my user will provide me their full name, then at last my bot will ask them to provide their contact number. For that, I am again taking one ask a question button. Drag this question box here where I am going to write my message as please share your contact number for booking. For that, I am selecting the contact custom field as contact number. After that, the format I'll select as number. You can provide the minimum as well as maximum value here and also increase the number of attempt if you want to, and I am not writing any message. After that, I am connecting this circle to this message where it is connected. After all these process, I am going to add one tag. For that, I am clicking on this plus add tag button. I'll drag this box here. The add tag button is used for label or categorize your contacts so you can easily find them later. So here I am selecting the tag as hotel room booked that I have already created before. If you want to create a new tag, then you can click on this create tag button, in where at first you have to enter the tag name. After that, if you want to allow auto tagging, then you can enable this toggle. Now after that, I am connecting this circle to this message where it is connected. Now whenever my user will select the room type, provide me the date, also their full name and the contact number, then at last my bot will ask them to make the payment. For that, I am clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I am going to write my respond message. Here I write it, that is your booking is confirmed with $symbol room type. You can see I use the $symbol here. Before before the room types and also check-in and check-out date, because with the help of this dollar symbol, my bot will reply to my user based on their provided information. That means here, whenever my user will select any of the room type, then automatically with the help of this room type contact custom field, my bot will extract that what the user will select, that is any of these room type, single room, double or the suite, and provide them the customized message at the last by mentioning the room type that they were selected, also mentioning the date that they were provided while answering these questions. So now you will better understand why we use the contact custom field. I also provide one test payment link here. Now our flow is completed. So basically this is the final look of our flow for creating a WhatsApp chatbot that will automate hotel room bookings via WhatsApp. After the completion of your flow, you have to click on this button, save button, so that your flow will be updated. This bot will automatically reply to your user like this. Provide them the list of the room types that are available in your hotel, their information and many more. You can also create this type of WhatsApp automated chatbot for your hotel business. This bot will reply to your users 24/7 without you doing any manual effort. You can also share this WhatsApp chatbot by going in this flow option, and for sharing this you have to click on this three dots and click on this share flow option. It will provide you one link. With the help of this link you can share your chatbot, but you have to make sure that when you are sharing the flow layout will be shared, but the contact custom fields, tag, catalogs and the template will not be shared. You need to create these elements separately, and templates must be created and approved by Meta. This bot is created without requiring any coding or programming skills. It is only possible with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. So go and create your first WhatsApp chatbot for free.